laundry shop. It's called Lala's Laundry Shop. So as you can see, I just finished washing our bathroom mat. So we're just waiting it to dry. Yeah, so the remaining time is 11 minutes. So yeah, so we still have to wait to dry it within 11 minutes. So we are here at the laundry shop. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my life. So that's Miss Trans Pinay here in the USA. So as you can see, we're just waiting for our laundry to dry. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I just had my haircut and we're waiting to dry our bathroom mats. As you can see, as I've said, I just call in sick because I was yun nga na English ako ng English video pala to. Yun nga, diba? Kaya umabsent ako. Naglaban na lang ako. Guys, naglaban na lang po ako. Aming laundry ng aming bathroom mat. Yung mga pamunas. Hindi namin nilalaban sa washing machine namin, kundi sa gumagastos kami sa labas para labhan yung mga bathroom mats, kung yung mga pamunas. Ayan po, ladies and gentlemen, to avoid the bacterialization. So alam niyo na guys, dito sa Amerika, ganun yung ginagawa namin para yung bacteria hindi pakapit sa washing machine. So syempre sinusuot natin yun, di ba? So what we did, lahat ng mga ayan, washing namin dito, lahat ng mga bathroom, mga pamunas, bathroom mats. Then you can also pay credit card, see, or coins. Parang feeling ko magkasing mahal lang ng konti, pero yung mga labada dito tsaka dyan sa Philippines parang same lang. Kasi we put, for the dryer, we put $1.25 for it's for already 26 minutes. 30 minutes na yon, $1.25. So that's 50, pagpalagay na natin, nasa 75 pesos. So muna na yung dryer na yon pag i-dry siya. So yun nga guys, thank you so much for watching. So yun po, and ang labada naman, so that's for the dryer, and then for labada, ang dito is $7.50. So as you can see there, you pay cash or card, debit card, credit card, $7.50 po. So ganun maglaba dito sa Amerika, medyo may kamahalan, pero parang same lang din. Kung nasa Philippines ka, magpapalaba yung mahal din, nasa 700, 300 or what. Dito mahal lang ng konti. Siyempre, America dollars. So, nasa, pa rin po tayo ngayon, laundry area. So, papakita ko po yung outfit ko. Since walang tao sa atin. Bye guys! This is Miss Trans Pinay
here in the United States. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.